Hi, welcome to the Hotel Paradise. Is there anything I can do for you?
Oh, hi. Yes, please. I have a booking on the name of Clara James.
So you have a reservation under the name of Clara James.
Oh, yes, under the name of Clara James.
Okay, let me check. I see you have booked a single room with sea view and with breakfast. Is it correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Perfect. Can I have your ID or passport, please?
Yeah, sure. I have a question. Is there any chance I can change to half board or all inclusive? How much will it cost?
Of course there is. If you want to upgrade to half board and to have breakfast and dinner, it will cost you 25 euros per night. In case you would like to upgrade to all-inclusive, not only will you have breakfast, lunch and dinner, but you will also have all drinks included in minibar that will be replaced in your room every day. Would you like to upgrade to half board or all-inclusive?
I think I will go for all-inclusive, please.
Perfect. Since you made the reservation on our website, you will have to pay for your accommodation now.
Yeah, sure.
Would you like to pay in cash or with credit card?
With credit card, please.
Here is your room key, and a bellboy will help you with luggage and will show you where your room is. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. I'm sure I will.